In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create courses, but we're going to start with the admin first, creating accounts for other users. So the first thing is you go here in the menu, go down to classroom, and when you're here, you can see the home page, get some information about the school, the number of students and courses created. That one course created was just testing course here. Further down, contact information, social media handles, and the number of site visits and the countries where they're visiting from. This has the capacity of holding about 20 flags, but so far people from 3 regions visited. Now, as the admin, you just want to log in. So you click on login, and then you provide the username and password. Then the password will be whatever your password is. And then you click on the login and it takes you here. So you can save it or you don't save it, but I'll just exit from there. Alright, so now we're on the home page of the admin. Now you can go ahead and create users. So you go in here, site administrator, administration, and then you can see this button called users. So it's very straightforward. So you can add a new user or you can add bulk users, like you can upload users. So if you have a spreadsheet where you have users, you can upload them there. So let's just do add a user. We're gonna add a new user. I'll give them a username. So let's just say uh, James teacher. Let's make it Prof James. And then you can generate a password and notify the user, or you can force a password change. So when the user gets an email, they will be asked to log in and create uh, their own password. So James, um, let's just say hacker, and then the email address will be info@hackerworld.com, and then other information, and there you can put description for that, and so on and so forth. So you can put a picture if you wanna, if you have the picture, or you can have them upload their pictures later. But if you want to add a picture, just click on files and then drag a picture and drop here. You can drag and drop, or you can just browse into this and include a picture. You can put a description of the picture here, and then you create a user. So let's see if we can change something else here. Generate a password and notify user. Okay, we want to do that, or you just force password change, new password. So let's put a password here. Let's view it what we're creating. So we can say password. All right, so that will be our password. So at least 8 characters, and we can just create user. If you have an existing email address, it will notify you that the email address already exists. So we just created a new one now, Hacker World Unlimited at cwc.edu.ng. We can go ahead here and edit. We can suspend the user account if the teacher is no longer with the school, and so on and so forth. So click here, you know, so manual account creation and all that. We can also enable email-based registration, and yeah, so update the profile. Okay, so the profile has been updated. So look at that, we can add more users. Now this is a way of adding users when you have just 1 or 2 users. If you have many users, I'll show you later how to add bulk users. But that's how easy it is to add users one by one. All right. So we'll go ahead to the next video. We will show you how to add bulk users and also how to give access to them, or the roles, to grant roles to each of them, and then also how to log in with those accounts and how to use the portal.